Good afternoon everyone. My name is Sri Chaitanya and I am taking this video as a part of my digital assignment work for the course Programming in Java. So my work on this video is to just work upon a Java programming code by using applet and swing code to just draw a triangle by using a star symbol, and the star symbol should have a random colors and whole triangle should be formed by the n number of stars with the n number of colors. So proceeding with the explanation of the program, here for this program I have actually used two classes. One is the triangle creator.java and second is the frame.java, and the output for the code is the form is so we'll get the window of click me to start. As soon as we click, we can see the triangle which is formed by the n number of stars, and know all the n number of stars are with n number of colors with a string in the middle of the triangle. So getting in deeper to the code of the implementation the way I have implemented, so I have taken two classes here for the implementation. One is the triangle creator.java and the other is the frame.java. So in frame.java I have imported java.awt and then declared a public class with a name called frame, and in this I have started calling the main method. In the main method I have created a new frame and created an object for jframe, and as well I have created an object button for jbutton and have created a new button. And for the button which I have created, the object button, I have set size with the parameters 50, 50 as you can see here. And similarly for the button, I have also set the text which is here, click me to start. So the button will have the name belonging as this click me to start. So after this I have coming here to the 28th line. Here I have just laid some attributes to the frame fr is nothing but the object we created for jframe. So firstly for the frame I had set an layout by the method set layout, and I have given a grid bag layout, and also I have added a button with grid bag constraints, and also I have set size with the constraints 900, 650. Then I've set title to the frame which is the string as you all can see, and I have also given an attribute for location relative to the null for the frame, and also I have set default close operation with this command, and I've also set visible true for the frame. Now getting on to the 17th line, as you all can see I have created a button, and then for calling upon the action I have used the command add action listener. Here I have called the method action listener, and here I have called the method action perform, in which I have first set the visible false for the frame, which means that the frame will go invisible, and then we get the output as check output screen. So you can then check the output screen as given. And then here I have created an object S for the class triangle creator. The class triangle creator is the other class. So coming back to the frame class, here I have created a new object for the class triangle creator, and S for the object of triangle class I have set size with the parameters 900, 650. I have also set title with the given string in the inverted commas, and I have called the function start for this S, the object of triangle creator, and along with it I have given the location relative to null and also set default close operation, and then I have set visible to true for the S. S is nothing but the object from the triangle class. Now just concentrating upon the start method which is invoked for the object created on the triangle class. So here I have created another class called triangle creator, and here you can all see that I have written the command public class triangle creator extends jframe and implements runnable. I have extended the jframe class and implemented this runnable. Runnable is nothing but the thread implementation class here. So I didn't extend the runnable class only because we can't extend attributes from two classes at a time. So just be the main properties that which I have to inherit from the JFrame, I have used extend for the JFrame, and similarly that is why I have implemented the thread concept here. So the whole command I have given as this public class triangle creator extends JFrame implements runnable. So here in the 12th line, I have given the command thread t1 equals to null, which means that I have created an object t1 thread, and here thread t1 equals to null. So if a thread is not created, which means that if t1 equals to null, t1 equals to new thread of this, which this command generally means that here we just create a thread and then we invoke the method start off. So as soon as we start the thread, it redirects us to the method run, where when t1 is not equal to null, for every t1 dot sleep of 100, this command generally means that for every 1 millisecond the thread will get repained. So here I have used this exceptional case of try and catch, where t1 dot sleep of 100, for every 1 millisecond the thread will be catch repaint method. So for every 1 millisecond, which does means that the thread will be repainted. Now getting in deep to it furtherly, I have also created a method paint in which I have called star maker class. Here the star maker class is another class which have some structural constraints of the triangle, which I'm gonna create in this program. So here I have created an object with name G2 for graphics 2D, and then here I have given a command for set stroke for the object created G2, and I have given new basic stroke. Basic stroke is nothing but the command which we use for giving some width value for the symbol we're gonna use in our triangle symbol, which is star. And here I have set another object for C color class as C, and given the command new color with the following constraints. And then for the G object, G is nothing but the star maker object. I have set font. The font which I given with the constraint is century, normal, and 25. Similarly, I have called a method for set color with the name of colo off. So the method call-off is nothing but here it is. So in the call-off method, I have called a random method, which means that I have here assigned the values randomly for the values RGB, the color values in the Java, and then I have given the return function for C. So this function will be implemented everywhere when the colo function is called in the other methods. So here you all could see that here I have used g.setColorColo and g.drawString. I have given command for Sri Chaitanya, which does means that the string this will have a color with the font of here, and then the color will be randomly changing. Similarly, I have again draw the string star, which is the symbol which we're gonna use, and here the attributes 430 and 120 which I mentioned actually refers to the position of the star, which will be placed at the tip of the triangle. So for this particular string, I have set font as Calibri normal 100, and the color I have given the method, redirected it to the method of colo, where the colors will be automatically changed. Now getting in deeper, I have here declared the coordinates for x and y, and then for just drawing the triangles for the left side of the triangle, right side of the triangle, the base of the triangle, I have given different commands by using the for loop. So here I have used a for loop where one is I equals to 1, I less than 17, and as you all can see, I have drawn string star for x minus I star 100 plus y plus I star 30. Here it actually takes the commands by painting the stars parallelly in the left and right side of the triangle, and for both the right side of the triangle and left side of the triangle, I have called the method colo, which does means that the paint will happen rapidly. Now that the left side of the triangle and the right side of the triangle along with the tip is completed, now getting to the base design of the triangle, the whole code which I have highlighted now is the code for base of the triangle formation. So here I have again used a for loop, and then in for loop I have given a command for drawstring for the left base of the triangle. I have given the xy coordinates range, and then I have called the method color, which just means that the paint will be randomly colored. Similarly, again I have used a for loop here for the right half base of the triangle, and similarly I have again called a set color method, which means that the paint will be randomly dead. And here, as you all can see here, okay, so here I have given two sentences in the line 66 and 67, which does mean here the coordinate range which I have given mentioned the center position of star in the base one, which means the very center star in the base of the triangle is placed by this command. And I have also given this same color function for this, the colo method, which does means the star will be automatically colored. Now finally, after declaring all the positions of the triangle by calling the color methods, I have finally called a method of updates for the graphics G, which means I have here called the paint method. It updates colors by calling paint. The whole function of this paint is like updating colors by calling paint. Here the repaint method which I described earlier was for every 1 millisecond the whole thing will be repainted. So this is all about the code implementation in a very deeper way. Now once again getting into the output, after which we get, so the first home screen we get is click me to start. Once I have clicked it with the action listener, I'll be redirecting to the page of my execution where the all these are like repainting, and then the set color method, which has the random color option, is making this color changes of stars very randomly. Thank you.